Hey friends, sorry we haven't put up a video in so long, but it is so hot where we live. It's 100 degrees and it's just really hard to be out in the garden when it's light, light enough to shoot a video. So today instead I thought we would show you our harvest, right Violet?
Yeah.
Violet's working on some things.
Yeah, show them how many.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that we picked today. Okay, so we picked these cucumbers. These are the last of our pickling cucumbers, and there were probably, what, 8 or 9 more?
Yeah.
And I gave some to my mom. So we had and we took some to Mr. Tom as well. So we probably picked about 15 cucumbers today. Oh yeah, put that over with the peppers. Here are some tomatoes that we've picked over the last couple days, and
plus that.
These two are our 2 biggest tomatoes that we've grown.
They are not 2 pounds though.
They're
just
not.
1 pound.
Yeah.
One of them was 1 pound and 13 ounces.
Right, and the other one was,
which was pretty big.
I think that was the biggest one. The other one was like 1 pound 11 ounces.
What pepper is this again?
This is a sriracha pepper. It's a little overripe, but I think it's gonna be okay. These are super hot, so we're gonna leave that for Xander.
Yeah, will the stem burn me?
No.
Just the pepper?
Just the inside, yeah. This is another monster tomato. Little cat-faced on the bottom. All these really big ones.
Oh, there's a spider.
Okay, spiders aren't a big deal. All these big ones are pineapples. These with the really fluted tops. And then we have a whole bunch of sun gold cherries, which are my favorite. We have a few black cherries, which are these little guys. The light in here is not great, so it's hard to see, but they are purple. And they're a little bit bigger. You can kind of see how big they are. Did you just eat one? Did you just eat one?
Yeah.
Stinker. We also have these windowsill tomatoes, which are ripening. Some of these were just really close to the bottom of the plants, and I've had bunnies eating them, so I just wanted to pick those early. Yep, and what are these, Violet?
These are all of our
bell peppers, and these are actually red bell peppers. You might not know this, but all peppers are green until they ripen fully.
Can I eat
So if you want to use them green, you can just pick them early, and these are pretty tiny, but
it has 4 butt cheeks.
You're a goofball. I needed these to make salsa with because we have a bunch of tomatoes in the fridge ready to go, so I just went ahead and picked them. And then this one that Violet has, we only had 2 of these. You already ate one, right?
Yeah. Can I eat this one?
Was it good?
Yeah.
Are they sweet?
Yes.
Let me show them before you eat it. This one's called Lunchbox Orange, and this is as big as they get. They're just little babies, and they're very sweet, and they have 4 butts. At least that one does.
You
want me to try it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really good. And then we picked, well, we didn't pick. Did you help?
No.
Nope. I picked all these Kentucky pole beans. This is probably, I don't know, 3 pounds, and that's just from today. And actually, Violet, we have some more in the fridge that we need to snap as well. So Violet is snapping these cheerfully and with a cheerful, kind heart, helping her mama with the garden produce.
Not like the thing we did earlier.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
It really means a lot to me. All right, so that's our harvest for today. I hope you guys are getting good harvests too. Let us know what you're picking. We'd love to see it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Right, Violet?
What is that?
Can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.